Alright, this is Jim, JDM Designs. We're out here in our router room and routing out the shape. This is called an egress map or evacuation plan. So this is, we printed it with our flatbed printer. And this is a CNC machine. It'll cut through acrylic and aluminum. This is aluminum composite. Pretty basic here, but it does a real clean job. We're pleased with it. And it cuts a 5x10 surface, so that's even better. Have a great day.